Today, we're visiting Made with Love Bakery in Spokane. Even though it might look small, this place is chock full of heart.
Plopped down, super homey, like really chic, artistic space. A really warm setting.
Small but cozy.
I think a place where it's really inclusive and welcoming.
And has obviously really delicious baked goods.
I want people to come in and feel like they are at home.
Owner Callie Johnson started baking when she was young and never stopped making people smile.
In 6th grade, I just decided I wanted to start a bakery. From that moment on, just started taking steps to get there.
So your dream has worked out for you.
Yes.
It is just a really sweet place to be. It's really calm.
It kind of feels like home.
I feel really comfortable here.
I really love baking for people. That just brings me so much joy. I think people taste that when they eat it because there's care that has gone into it.
I can tell.
Yeah.
It really is made with love.
It is.
I love the Pop-Tart that she makes.
The pie is to die for.
The cinnamon sugar Pop-Tarts.
It's the best pecan bar you're ever gonna have in your life.
The muffins.
The molasses cookies.
And her scones are also absolutely amazing.
I've kind of tried it all. So